Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the second law of return to scale, and that is constant return to scale or CRS. It has one another name, and that is called constant cost. Basically, a constant return to scale, when we discuss it in simple words, constant return to scale means that when you are hiring a new labor and every new labor giving you the same level of production as compared to the previous one, that is called law of constant return to scale. Or we can say that in this law your total product increases at constant rate. When percentage increase in all factor inputs causes equal proportionate increase in output, it is known as linear homogeneous production function. Constant return to scale operates when firm has achieved the point of maximum capacity. So in constant return to scale, a firm achieves the point where his total product is at maximum point. If he hires more number of laborers after that point, then his total product will decreases. So this stage occurs due to combined effect of economies and diseconomies of scale. Examples of constant return to scale: if a firm doubles inputs, it doubles output. The constant return to scale has no effect on average cost per unit produced. As I have mentioned earlier, that in case of constant return to scale, your cost remain the same, your cost does not changes. And if you increases your input by 5%, then your output also increases by 5%. Same increase in input and same result in output. Both changes by same proportion. When input and output both are changes by same proportion, then that particular production function exhibits constant return to scale. Now let's discuss the table and graph for constant return to scale. The first column is showing the number of labors. Second column is showing the marginal product of individual labor, and the third column is showing the total product by hiring all the number of laborers. As you can see that every labor is giving us the same level of production. No labor is superior to the other labor. Every labor is giving us the same level of production, so it means that this particular production function exhibits constant return to scale, and our total product is increasing at constant rate. Same change occur 30 to 60 there is a change of 30, then 60 to 90 there is a change of 30, and 90 to 20 there is still change of 30. So total output is increasing, but it increasing at constant rate. And here we have a graph of the constant return to scale. On x-axis we have taken the number of unit of labor and capital, or we can say that we have taken the input on the x-axis and we have taken output on y-axis. When we have hired first labor, it will give us 30 units of output, and when we have hired second labor, it also gives us 30 unit of output, and then for the third labor and the fourth labor and the fifth labor. And when we join all of these points, so it will give us marginal product in case of constant return to scale, and this is called law of constant return to scale. So basically, what is the conclusion and what is the summary in constant return to scale? Input and output both increases by same percent.